That's Red's Iowa Train videos here in Arcadia, Iowa. Road tripping west on Highway 30 to Missouri Valley, Iowa is going to be our final destination. Trying to get some train action here. So Arcadia, Iowa, there's a deep cut the CNW put through here. So you can get actually above the main line right here, but the problem is there's a lot of vegetation and stuff. I was hoping to get a train be up on top of it, but not looking like we're gonna be able to see anything through all this. So I can get down the bottom hill and see if we can get some action. It's Red's Iowa Train videos here in Woodbine, Iowa. That's western Iowa along Highway 30. Found myself another CNW caboose here. I've actually seen this one before, to be honest, but yeah, Woodbine, Iowa. We're just road tripping out to Missouri Valley, Iowa here on our bikes. And Red 2 had a flat in the back in Grand Junction, Iowa. So we got lucky, found a repair shop. We plugged it and we're almost to Missouri Valley. You go down here in Woodbine, Iowa, and you got this closest track to me. This is the Illinois Central, old Illinois Central. Now it's a CN. And then down below we got the old CNW. Currently the Union Pacific. Hoping to catch something here maybe while we're hanging out here. We got like a neat little historical center here, and you got the caboose. Yeah, there's another angle here in Woodbine, Iowa. Old Illinois Central Depot. And next to the CNW caboose I just videoed. Yeah, Woodbine, Iowa, western Iowa, just off of Highway 30. There's a lot of good parallel train action to be had down around here.
You guys missed the real deal. There was a DP manifesto.
Yeah, we missed a train. There's nowhere for me to go and there's nowhere for me to stop and view it. I could have turned around, but he was going pretty fast, and we gotta get where we're going.
That's what I was thinking.
So
the amount of time it took us to get past that train, and
waiting on one more maybe.
And it's doing 50. So what's that like? Going past it at 115 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm.
It still took forever. Oh, did you hear that?
Yep. Hopefully we get one soon. Yeah, here in Woodbine, Iowa, they running all concrete ties through here. The rail says 97 on it. Yeah, like my brother said, it's like a sewing machine went at this thing.
Red, do trees go poop?
Red's Iowa Train videos in Missouri Valley, Iowa. That's extreme western Iowa. Got an eastbound UP here, just heading into town. Yeah, this train just come through Blair, Nebraska, probably from Fremont, the old Chicago Northwestern line. Missouri Valley's got a decent sized yard, nothing like it was back in the CNW days, but got a lot of train traffic here. Yeah, I got a lot of lumber on the back of that one. Sounds like we got another one. Sounds like we got a sounds like I got a westbound there coming along. Yeah, there's a lot of, hopefully we can drop the price of a 2x4 here. Red's Iowa train videos right here. That bridge up there is the CN.
Look at this bridge.
Shoots over the UP, the old CNW right there. So the old Illinois Central going over the old CNW. Loveland, Iowa. Red's Iowa train videos here in Blair, Nebraska. Kind of fibbing because I'm in Nebraska, but I'm pretty close. Eastbound UP, Blair, Nebraska. Rolling down the old Chicago Northwestern, heading to Missouri Valley, Iowa. Missouri Valley, Iowa is a really busy train town. Bridge over the Missouri River here, just east a little bit more, but not much for good spots to video that. Tracks down here. Highway 30 over there on the other side of the bridge. Train videos, just barely in Nebraska.
Yes! Huh?
Red's Iowa train videos here in Missouri Valley, Iowa. I'm looking west and I want to get a shot of the old CNW yard. This used to be Chicago Northwestern, now it's Union Pacific, and I got a lot of trains come through this place here. You get down here and two westbound outlets out of Missouri Valley. One jogs down to Council Bluffs, and then another set of rails goes west to Fremont, Nebraska, and goes to California Junction just short of the Missouri River. Have to get down here and jogs to the left there and head to the Council Bluffs. Yeah, there's rails there to the left. Go to Council Bluffs and then get over here and heads to Blair, Nebraska, at Fremont, Nebraska, and then the California Junction just short of the Nebraska border. It heads north up around Sioux City. It's pretty busy here with trains.